I am Hagia Sophia. My belt sound is immeasurable and resonates immeasurably far and immeasurably deep, in perfect harmony with myself. My sound can always be heard when there is something important to announce. This is how I guide human beings to the right place, so that they can regain contact with themselves. Unfortunately, the sensitive inner place has been forgotten by many. I sound ahead and lead the way, and when human beings are awake and sensitive, and they perceive me, they follow me and their inner call to be led to where they can hear and feel their own inner sound. This is very important. Everyone, every being should be and live according to the divine law, in harmony with his or her own sound. This is divine perfection. This is a divine law. This is the real goal of every human being on earth and of all creation. Everything is a single divine harmonic concert of sound that unites to form a single divine tone or sound. Ultimately, there's only one sound, the divine sound, which is inherent in every person, every being. The more a being makes this tone or sound resonate, the more he or she is consciously connected to the divine being, to his or her divine being. May you also find your own sound. Have no doubts about it. The earlier and sooner, the more beneficial. Invest your time in finding your own sound. Time is very precious. It won't come back. Let your sound resonate in divine harmony with yourself. Don't wait for others, but engage in this process yourself. You will find it if you look for it, because you already are it. You just have to be it. I can support you in this if you ask me to. I am the master of perfecting the divine sound in living beings. Entrust yourself to me, and I will help you to recognize and feel your own divine sound. Do not worry, it will happen all by itself. It is very simple. You just have to allow yourself to do it. There's nothing to do than this. There's nothing to do except this in life. This is the most important thing in your humanness, that you vibrate in your tone, your sound. This is a very high divine vibration. Every sound of every living being is unique and vibrates in its uniqueness, in his or her specific sound. Everything is perfect. Everything is value-free. It simply is, just how it is. Trust your own divine sound and let it vibrate high. That is the only task in this human incarnation of a human being. Everything else is an unnecessary triviality. When you are one with your tune, your sound, everything comes to you as it is good for you. Let your sound vibrate without doubting it, because that is you, no one else. This sound of yours is you, it belongs to you, and it is completely value-free. Let it resonate powerfully, expanding. Let your sound resonate sonorous and magnificent, and it should be as it is naturally determined by the divine law. It is very simple. Just allow your sound to be and it will happen. An Anasha. I say farewell with deep gratitude. I have said all the essentials. Thank you for listening to me and passing on this message. I love you. I love you. An Anasha.